Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you have been wondering whether someone is avoiding you on WhatsApp, stay tuned because I'll walk you through the signs that might indicate you have been blocked. First, find the WhatsApp. Now click on it. When you have been blocked, you won't be able to see when the person was last active or whether they are online. If you can no longer see their last seen timestamp, it could mean you have been blocked. Now the most common sign is related to message delivery. When you send a message to someone on WhatsApp, it should show 2 ticks when it's delivered. But if you have been blocked, you will only see one single tick like this. This means your message is sent from your phone but not delivered to theirs. If you also try calling the person on WhatsApp, it keeps showing calling but it will never connect. So this is also one of the signs the person has blocked you. Unfortunately, WhatsApp does not give us a clear notification, so you will have to piece together these clues to figure it out. Don't stress too much. If someone has blocked you, it's usually for a reason and you should respect their privacy. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.